So anytime we have a project that we know is going to be particularly challenging or laborious, we always treat ourselves to some junk food. It's really the only time we eat straight junk.
It really is.
So we just went to the Wawa. We're on our way back to the boat to start a grueling project, but we stopped at the Wawa on our way. John got a strawberry glazed donut and 2 Reese's Big Cups.
And they're both phenomenal.
He recommends. I got some Flamin' Hot Cheetos, a jumbo-sized Rice Krispie treat, and we always go for the lemon lime Gatorade. So, it's fueling us up, getting us ready for some hard work. Today we are cutting a custom battery bank for our brand new lithium iron phosphate batteries, which came with our Renogy solar panels. They are massive.
Yep.
They're almost twice the size of our old lead acid batteries, so we are going to need to build something that they can fit into.
So long story short, we're going to cut a massive hole in there, build a new battery holding area for our solar batteries that are going to power our entire boat. Here we go.
All right, day 2 of our custom battery bank build. Plan today is to build supports, glass those in, build the actual base for the new battery bank, glass that in, and just basically get everything glassed in so it can cure overnight, and then we can hit the ground running tomorrow.
Yep. End goal is to be done with glass work today. So
we'll see what happens. All right, day 2 snacks. What we got? Got real today, so we got some serious snacks.
Spicy sweet chili Doritos.
Slim Jim. Salt and vinegar. Oh, and we're on our 3rd 28-ounce Gatorade for the day. Guys, it is a blazing
Take a sip of that.
day.
No, the people.
Oh.
Change your life.
We're practically made of yellow Gatorade at this point, but we've been sweating like nobody's business, so to me it feels justified.
Good?
A lot, like 10 and 10.
What up?
What up? Day 3.
It is day 3, isn't
Day
it?
3, it sure is. Yesterday was a rough one. Yesterday was a cluster.
Yeah, it
You
was
guys, you saw the epic fail with wrapping the little blocks in fiberglass.
Yeah, that's the only issue that we had yesterday. I feel like it just didn't do what we wanted it to. Maybe the wood wasn't scuffed enough or something.
I don't know. That was rough. The measuring was rough. We spent way more time outside than we thought we were going to yesterday, and so we got sunburned. So that was fun. Fun little bonus. And yeah, just overall, it was a rough day. So we're pretty tired today, but we are ready to rumble. So, first order of business this morning, I think, is going to be...
We're going to clean up the wood blocks. Abby is going to glass the battery platform, and then we are going to go and clean up the hull and then epoxy them to the hull.
Yep.
And yeah, we're going to be trying to make solid progress today. Hopefully we can get all the glassing done.
I
and
know
all
we
the epoxy
said that
done.
yesterday, but today, for real this time, we're going to do all the glassing.
Yep. today we're going to be putting these, whatever you want to call them, they look like ducks to me, on our bimini frame, and we're going to be preparing it to put the solar panels on.
Because as it is, the bimini frame is very floppy, and we are not extremely confident in its ability to hold up 2 massive solar panels. We also, it's kind of curved, so it's going to be hard to lay them flat on it. They're coming with brackets, tilt brackets. We just need something to put the brackets on. So today we're going to fashion like a little bit of a solar mount situation, both reinforcing the stability of the bimini frame and making like a little platform that we can drill the tilt mounts into and lay our solar on top of.
That is the goal. Let's see what actually happens here. Bars. Stainless steel bars.
We had our friends down at the Marine Connection Liquidators help us cut some stainless steel tubing to just the right length for this project. These guys have helped us a ton on our journey, and this past year we could not have finished half the projects we have without them. If you're a boater and you're ever in need of boat parts in the Fort Pierce area, you couldn't ask for a better place to find them. John and Abby's Custom Solar Solutions.
Yeah. Hey, if you guys want to hire us to do some custom solutions, it's only $10,000 per hour. Abby, which part do you prefer, this or fiberglassing and grinding? And
I don't know, I get a little thrill from having that whole body itch that only fiberglass can bring you.
look at Abby
This one's scary.
bolting things over open ocean.
No pressure. Okay, there's some pressure.
You scared?
I'm scared.
What was that?
A washer.
Oh, I think we do have a washer. Look at that face. Is there a tear coming?
No. Thanks. As the sun set on another busy day, we were feeling good about the progress we've made. But the truth of it is that, uncomfortable as all this manual labor had been, It was nothing compared to the mental backflips we were about to have to do to get these solar panels actually producing power. Our first step in getting the solar setup hooked up was connecting the battery cables and adding an anti-corrosion spray to the connections to try and prevent any corroding that the saltwater may cause over time. We made these battery cables ourselves out of 2-knot cable at West Marine about a week ago. And that concludes the bit of this install that we were comfortable doing. The rest of this project is out of our comfort zone, and it becomes clear as things quickly descend into chaos.
Let me use that real quick. Come on, come on. Feed me. Through the top. Just push it through.
Feed me.
Feed me, mommy. Okay, that should be good for now. Should be good for now.
We started off confident, but the job quickly got away from us as we turned our attention to mounting the inverter and struggled through some of our most challenging bouts of boat yoga yet. Yeah, I don't really know how this is gonna go, so...
I think I'm gonna just like hold it on top of myself and let Abby use the marker to mark the holes, and then we'll draw some, or we'll drill some pilot holes,
Yeah.
and then put it in as best we can.
We persisted, and eventually we got the inverter mounted. So now we just have to wire it all up without burning the boat down.
Oh.
What happened? With the solar hooked up, we were finally capable of generating our own power. Now we only have a few more things to do before we can pull out of the slip and drop our anchor for the first time. Perhaps the most obvious task, and one we've been avoiding for a while, is installing a new anchor light. Why have we been avoiding this, you may ask? Well, because we have to do it at the top of the mast. John went up first to do some recon on a weekend when my uncle was in town to help me hoist him up.
Yeah, we're good.
Feeling nice, tight?
Yep.
All your straps, check the straps, make sure everything's nice and tight. You might, yeah. There we go, yeah, just in case.
You want to tie that?
You're gonna have to, it's just gonna spin.
Here. You want me to pull these?
Yeah.
Then it was my turn. The goal is to install the new anchor light, which sounds easy, but being 56 feet in the air while doing it adds a certain level of spice to the task. First we had to get the 12-2 duplex up the mast, and the snake we tried to use wasn't working. So we decided to try tying some fishing weights to the end of some high-test fishing line. We dropped this down the mast, then, once the line made it to the bottom of the mast, John tied and taped the duplex to the end, and I pulled it back up the mast. It was not easy getting 100 feet of duplex up the mast just by pulling it up by hand, but amazingly, this worked. Yes! Yeah! Yeah, dude! Alright, let me rest a second. That was hard. Now I would have to strip the ends of each wire, connect them using a step-down butt connector, crimp the connections, and then melt the heat shrink around each wire, all from 56 feet up. If this isn't hardcore, I don't know what is. Okay, I need you to stop walking around, babe, because it's jerking me and I'm doing something real tedious. Oh, babe. Oh, goodness. Oh, the crimpers are not small enough to crimp the tiny ass little cord. It keeps coming out. Like the one attached to the light is tiny. I don't know what it is, maybe 22 gauge. And because it's 22 gauge, the 16 gauge butt connector that we got is not crimping down tight enough to hold it in. drive this bitch and get down. Woo, baby. No sudden movements. Now, how the oh, God. Lord help me. Okay. You come here, you little bitch. Damn. Okay. How the fuck? Shall I get the butyl tape? Okay, well. Why? How do you spend your Saturday nights? Is it ever excellent? All right, here's my dilemma, babe. If these butt connectors aren't holding really f***ing well, this is just gonna rip out of here. Because the cord is going straight down.
What are you talking about? What's going on?
The wire, the duplex, is gonna drop once I let go of it. Straight down the mast, right? And it's gonna pull on the wires that I connected to it via the butt connectors. So if they are not connected really well, it's just gonna yank off. That's about to be like a load of tension on those butt connectors. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't think you know what I'm saying.
Once it's
Once I let go, that wire is just gonna fall, and it's gonna pull the other 2 wires that are connected to the light with it. And I'm worried that the butt connectors are just gonna slide right off of the light.
Why is it gonna fall?
What are you talking about?
What the hell are you talking
The
about?
girl was blonde, the girl that hooked up with you and her friend.
What the hell are you talking about? Okay, you have the light in one hand, the wire in the other, right?
I have to tip the light upside down and stick it at the top of the mast.
Yeah.
Inside that light from the center, the 2 little cords that came on it are dangling.
Yeah.
Those are connected to the duplex via those butt connectors.
Yeah.
Yeah. The duplex is gonna be dangling inside the mast, and it weighs a ton. So it's gonna,
Just like over time.
like right now, but yeah, over time especially.
Well, how much did you belt the things onto the thing?
As much as I could.
Nothing we can do about it.
So you're not gonna freak out if all this was for nothing.
What else can we do? Nothing. You want to tape it?
Kinda.
Do you have tape?
I kinda wanna like secure it somehow so that it's not, so that all the tension isn't on the butt connector.
Do you have any tape up there?
No.
We need electrical tape. Where's that electrical tape at?
Babe, I'm not gonna be able to pull that up. It's fine. Let me just figure something out.
Let it go.
I hope that works. Oh, beautiful sunset though. All that's left to do now is run that duplex from the bottom of the mast through the whole boat, wire it up, and hope it works. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to help us keep exploring, creating, and sharing this wildlife on the move, consider joining our Patreon. It's the best way to support the channel, and you'll get behind-the-scenes updates, early access, and bonus content from the places we travel and the projects we take on along the way. And if you want to follow along with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for being a part of the journey. We'll see you in the next one.